Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to TM on Twitter. So to do that, head over to your application, mobile application or your web page and search for X or Twitter. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just go to the messages option right here. And once you're there, you get this layout. Tap on new message. And from here, you have to search people, like search anyone you want. And select the person and tap on next. So as this is, I'm not a verified user, so I can't DM them. So if I am add with someone in my Twitter, I can just message them from here. So yeah, this is it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.